Hello, this is Valerio from Link Italy. So I wanted to show you our newest product from the speaker connection range. This is basically the same concept of the old 24 conductor speaker, but what's new in it is that we had 8 digital contacts to transport digital signal, audio, or whatever you need to control your speaker. So what's interesting about this is you still have the compatibility with the old connector 24, but since the male contact inside have a little spring, if you plug it inside the old one, the connection doesn't work, but you don't lose, the connection still works as a normal 24 conductor. When you pair it with our male and our female, you have the digital signal. And of course, you have to use our cable. This is Valerio from Link, and please visit our website, www.link.com.